Hey, how's everybody doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction here in beautiful Bel Air Bluffs. Yes, I am in the house of Bel Air. JJ in the house, the neighborhood, the new blue Dodge Caliber. Wait till I've got the twin pipes coming off on the muffler delete. Got the K&N in there. She's purring. Got a nice neighborhood, right? Nice and quiet. Loving it. Guess what's going to be happening in here? I'm cutting my address off on purpose. Yeah, you might have been able to catch it there. Anyway, I'm moving from a 1.5 car garage with a built-in wooden shelf system in Seminole, Florida. This is my first video from the new digs. And I've got, my cleaning supplies. I've got to detail the garage before I'm ready to detail in the garage. But when I pulled the, mini SUV into the middle of this and saw how much space I had to work, I was really, really happy. So let me show you around the new place quick here. I'm going to blow it out. I'm going to pressure wash everything. I'm going to clean like nobody's business. Let me turn the torch on here. So, filth. I didn't even notice these. What is this? There's just so much stuff. Yeah. Oh, good. Sorry, I won't mess with that. It looks like bedpost or something. Anyway, this, yes, is a rental. And for the money, I was expecting it to be a little cleaner. I am moving up in the world. I'm moving up in Google rankings. And I wanted more space. I'm also got some commercial real estate people working with me. And I'm looking for digs to lease or buy in this area, which I used to be in Seminole out that way south. Then there's Largo, where I lived in the farmhouse, if any of you have been with me since those days. And now I'm further north. And then if you continue to go north that way, you hit the city of Clearwater. So anyway, I'm a little north. I'm about 15 minutes from the old place. This updated... No, I'm kidding. It's not updated. It's a little newer than the house I was in. I was digging it for the garage and the immediate availability of it. I still have rafters, but I don't have a big handling unit that's in my way where I can't pull a good-sized truck in or anything. This thing's deep. The washer and dryer I actually bought from the previous tenant, and he paid $1,000 for this Amana washer and this Amana dryer. I paid significantly less than that, as he didn't have anywhere to go. He was getting into an apartment. So I've configured around all of the filth, how this might be moved. I started dismantling this built-in, I don't know if you can call that a table or not. Somebody built it a long time ago by hand, and that had to go. And I took the shelves out of that shelf system, and these beautiful shelves, look how nice that is. Oh, beautiful. So anyway, this has all got to go. This is actually pretty solid. I'm going to keep this. I could remove it easily, but the shelves, nice, solid, thick, all wood. This is not particle board. This is, kids, if you haven't seen real wood, this is how they used to do it back in the day. So solid wood. It's going to be awesome. I've got a lot of electric around. Some of it is 3-prong. Most of it is not. This wash tub, I It is screwed into the floor. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get you in there. So I'm gonna see if I can unscrew it. If I can't, I'm just gonna take the legs. I want as much distance to be able to work around. This is a nice size garage. I will be working in it, with one car in the center, which is going to be a beautiful thing. This is where the BMW will sit, when I don't have other things. And then I've also got the Honda Insight, and I've got the new Dodge Caliper. New to me, 2008, but 20,000 miles on it, and it was gifted to me. So I've played around with how the washer and dryer are going to fit in here. I think I've got it figured out where I'm actually going to have the dryer open from this side. And it's going to open towards the washing machine. And you're like, wait, what? But the way they had the washer set here, then the vent tube is set away from the back wall. It just wasn't making any sense. I had a big gap of wasted space. So I thought, man, if I could just put the dryer right up against this wall. Of course, I've got the drain for the washer right there, so it won't be right up against. Then I figure I'll open the dryer, but not have it so it opens like 100% all the way, because why do you need to do that ever? What do you have, some big wide thing that you can't pull a blanket out? And then I'm going to set this here. And this little wash tub, although I've got the drain here, I'm kind of thinking I might be able to feed the drain. I guess it's got to be lower than this, kind of thinking this out with you here. This is just kind of an update of, what's happening with me. I do like that right now I've got the hose on the hot water line. And after I blow this thing out with the blower, with the leaf blower over there, I am going to, start at the ceilings, blow everything. I am then going to run plastic sheets that are 9 feet wide, and I am going to close off the whole upper part if you have a garage that's configured this way, because this window is nice in that once I remove these stoppers from somebody being able to actually break in and stop, I am going to mount my nice big air conditioner, heater, dehumidifier 3-in-1, and I am going to have a nice, comfortable, low humidity garage. This is like thick, insulated brick. I am going to have to close this off. This is typical for probably early 70s, I'm guessing, houses in the area. You've got it vented. You've got probably the SoFlight or SoFit vents up there. I don't know. I haven't got up on the ladder yet to really look around. I've got some extra little storage spot, I think, right there. I might stick some stuff up there. You getting that? Yeah, right up there. And anyway, eliminate things like wasp nests. And I will blow everything out, blow everything down, have my fans go and blow it all out the door, blow it out the back door. Then I'm going to come in with the hose and flood the floor. And I've got a big old jug of Simple Green. I love that stuff. A lot of people don't. It's a mild cleaner. If I want harsh, I can go harsh. But I'm just going to basically from the ceiling down, I'm just going to get all this filth and dirt and debris and crap and fix some things and reattach. And once I get that, and it'll probably be later in the week, get all the wood dried out and everything, I am going to then take the plastic sheeting I use this method of staples. I'll lightly staple into the wood. I'll do right this side edge. I'll show you on this side. Right on this side edge, I'll remove those nails and everything, and I'll run it. And yeah, I'll have some problems where I'll have to do some special fitting and stuff like that. I'll just go over that spot, make some cuts in it. I'll have to make some cuts where the hangers are for the garage door, right? But it won't be that big a deal. You know, I have the garage door shut at the time, obviously, and be able to, I can show you up there. I can't see it, but I will have a much more comfortable environment year round. I'm kind of thinking, you know, probably somewhat long-term rental in this, at least, you know, maybe 2-4 years, something like that. And I'll have the AC unit in. I'll have an extra dehumidifier probably as well to keep it really low, because I'm going to use air brushes, pressure controlled. I think it's called LP. It's like low pressure, you know, airbrush. And I'm going to do ceramic coatings with that right here in this garage. So hit the notification bell, bing, hit the like, give me a thumbs up, comment, help me grow this channel. I am moving onward and upward. I am shopping for shops right now. I have been just killing it in the detailing world lately, and coming up in the top 10 of paint correction specialists in Pinellas County. Yep, got myself this fancy Moto G stylus, so my camera work might be a little better. Oh, look at that nitrile. So anyway, except for this big tar spot that I'm using some straight Citral 266 on and hope to be able to scrape up, I'm really digging it. It's going to be really nice. I've got this big, huge backyard. Check this out. My dogs are going to like just absolutely freak out. They're going to think I'm at a dog park. Big trees everywhere. Really, really nice. No trees in my yard to have to mow around. Just talked to a kid in the neighborhood, and we're going to work out a little deal for, you know, he's going to mow cheap and probably have him do it. Got some weeding to do here. This is my first day with the keys. I'm not actually going to be moved in officially for a week, but I've got an old school oven built into the wall. It's a 2 bedroom, 2 bath, 2 car garage, shower, mediocre at best. However, got an extra bathroom for someone to use. Got the old school General Electric oven. This thing is won't be cooking Thanksgiving dinners anymore. But solid cherry wood cabinets. You know, nice glass top stove, all updated granite. Got some cleaning to do. Last tenant, not really big into cleaning. I think I've got 5 ceiling fans throughout the house. There's the front door here, right? There is the caliber. I've got a nice little front porch area. I'll put some chairs out there. We're getting, this is November 1st, so getting into some nicer weather here in Florida. Here is the master bedroom. So I've got 2, pan you over here. I've got 2 closets here. Yes, I'm working. I like, figure that out. Trying to get this place shaped up. So, yeah. But again, ceiling fans. This place is kind of older, but it's kind of quaint. I like, you know, this master bathroom. Okay, it's got a bathtub and a shower and stuff, and you got the curtain rod here. No big thing, but all in all, you know, it's okay. I got the 3, whoops, I thought I'd open on that side. I got the 3 cabinets, built-in dish soap. You don't see that every day, or I mean, soap holder. Here is the other bedroom. This will be my office and just general stuff. Big closet in here, big walk-in all the way through, right? So that's cool. Got it all up here, got lots of shelves and stuff, got my cameras. So that's just a quick tour of my digs, got a little closet, and that's it, man. So this is, the new home of Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. I like the options, and my accountant likes the options of me renting a really nice big back patio. Yeah, it needs cleaned. You can see all the dirt and debris. It needs pressure washed and stuff. But, when you're a detailer and you got all the tools, big problems aren't really so big. So anyway, I thank you for being with me. I'm going to get back to work and take the rest of that table out of there. But I'm working hard. I am doing a lot less personal training and a lot more detailing. So maybe I kind of shift completely and get this shop going and get a crew and boats and planes, and I want to go with retail products, and I've got big agendas, big plans. So stay with me. And I thank you for being with me, all of you that are subscribers, and share with your friends, man. Help this channel out, and then it'll grow even quicker. All right, so there's the flip side, and can't wait to do my first car, which is going to be a black Ferrari 328 GTS 1982. It's going to be epic. Come back and check it out. See you.